Welcome back to Car Trend, the channel where power meets performance and innovation hits the road. Today, we're diving deep into the all-new 2025 Ford F-250, a heavy-duty pickup that continues to redefine strength, technology, and rugged capability. This beast isn't just a truck, it's a statement, a workhorse with brains and brawn designed for the toughest jobs and the boldest adventures. Ford has been building the Super Duty lineup for decades, and the F-250 has always been the sweet spot, powerful enough for commercial needs but still manageable for daily driving. For 2025, Ford has refined nearly every aspect of the F-250, making it more intelligent, more efficient, and more capable than ever before. From exterior styling to engine performance, from tech features to towing capacity, the 2025 Ford F-250 is ready to lead the pack once again. Let's talk design first. The 2025 F-250 gets a more aggressive front fascia with a redesigned grille, bolder LED headlights, and a sculpted hood that adds to its commanding presence. Ford has focused on aerodynamic improvements without compromising on the muscular build we expect from a Super Duty truck. The new model features updated body lines, modern tailgate design with optional power-operated functions, and enhanced lighting for better visibility on and off the job site. Inside, the cabin has taken a huge leap forward. Whether you're sitting in the XL, XLT, Lariat, King Ranch, Platinum, or the top-tier limited trim, the 2025 F-250 offers a more premium feel than any of its predecessors. You'll find high-quality materials, improved insulation for a quieter ride, and a layout that combines function with comfort. The available 14-inch touchscreen, running the latest version of Ford's Sync 4 system, is intuitive and supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. There's also a fully digital instrument cluster that gives you detailed performance metrics, navigation info, and customizable driving modes. But let's be honest, when it comes to a truck like the F-250, it's all about what's under the hood. And Ford delivers once again. The 2025 F-250 offers several powertrain options, starting with the 6.8-liter V8 gas engine that provides solid baseline performance for fleet and utility users. For those looking for more muscle, there's the legendary 7.3-liter Godzilla V8. Now with improved torque output, designed for those who need serious pulling power without going diesel. Of course, for maximum performance, the Powerstroke 6.7-liter turbo diesel V8 remains the crown jewel. It's refined for 2025 with even better low-end torque and fuel efficiency. With this engine, the F-250 can tow over 22,000 pounds when properly equipped, and the payload capacity remains class-leading. Whether you're hauling heavy equipment, towing a fifth-wheel trailer, or carrying a full load of construction materials, this truck does it without breaking a sweat. Transmission-wise, the 10-speed torque-shift automatic continues to impress with smooth shifting and optimized gearing for both highway cruising and low-speed towing. Four-wheel drive comes standard on most trims, and Ford's upgraded drive modes, including rock crawl, tow haul, eco, and slippery, allow you to tailor the truck's behavior to any condition. You also get a new off-road package that includes skid plates, improved suspension, and a front limited slip differential. Now let's shift to the technology. Ford has packed the 2025 F-250 with smart systems that not only make life easier but also safer. The Pro Power onboard system lets you use the truck as a mobile generator, a game-changer for worksites and camping trips. There's also the latest Ford Copilot 360 suite, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring with trailer coverage, and a 360-degree camera system that gives you eyes everywhere. Towing is more intuitive now with the trailer navigation system. It calculates routes based on trailer size and weight, helping you avoid low bridges and tight turns. Plus, the Pro Trailer Backup Assist makes reversing with a trailer as easy as turning a dial. You no longer have to wrestle with the steering wheel, just focus on where you want the trailer to go, and the F-250 handles the rest. Comfort isn't sacrificed either. Heated and ventilated seats, massaging options in upper trims, wireless phone charging, multiple USB-C ports, and even a mobile office setup with a fold-flat center console table are available. It's not just a truck, it's a workstation, a lounge, and a command center, all in one. Ford is also pushing forward with sustainability. While there isn't a fully electric F-250 yet, expect hybrid variants to follow soon. For now, improved engine efficiency and reduced emissions are steps in the right direction, showing Ford's commitment to evolving the Super Duty platform without sacrificing power or performance. In terms of pricing, the 2025 Ford F-250 starts at a competitive base price, with configurations ranging widely depending on engine choice, cab size, bed length, and trim level. Whether you're a contractor looking for durability, an off-road enthusiast chasing rugged terrain, or a farmer towing equipment across rough land, there's a configuration that fits your needs and your budget. In summary, the 2025 Ford F-250 is not just a refresh. It's a bold statement that Ford still leads the heavy-duty truck game. It's smarter, tougher, and more versatile than ever. It blends raw capability with next-gen features in a way that no other truck in its class currently does. If you're in the market for a powerhouse that's built to last, packed with innovation, and ready for any challenge, the new Ford F-250 deserves a serious look. It's not just about getting from point A to point B, it's about dominating the road in between. Thanks for watching Car Trend. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on the latest car reviews, news, and breakdowns. Leave a comment below and tell us what you think about the 2025 Ford F-250. Is it the king of heavy-duty trucks? Or do you have your eye on something else? Until next time, keep your wheels turning and your engines roaring.